gorgeous. This is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. So what's new today in Shivani's Boutique is this which I'm wearing. It's an art Dola silk fabric which I'm going to show with value added like Parsi work, hand embroidery, machine embroidery is all mixed together. Where today I'm going to show 3 different varieties. One will be the art Dola silk with work, Parsi works. The second will be linen by Tezzer with Parsi works. The third will be linen by cotton with Parsi works, and the fourth will be only cotton with Parsi works. Before placing your order, kindly please read the descriptions whichever we are very transparent whether it is a Parsi work or it is an art Dola silk, means it is not a pure silk. It is a mixed fabric. Similarly, if it is a super net fabric kota means if you open the sari and see, you will be seeing a checks inside. That is called as a kota. It will be kota cotton, super net kota, however it is. Please understand what we are telling in our videos. We are very clear and transparent. Guys, you please read the descriptions and place your orders, and let us start this show. Right now it is an art Dola silk with Parsi works all over, where it is a mix of both machine embroidery and hand embroideries together. The first thing is this. See this is the first product, and it comes with a pant. This is the pant, and this is the dupatta for this. All right, and this is a mixed organza by Chanderi dupatta. All right, and the second ones are these. All are art Dola silk fabric with Parsi hand works and machine works together. See how beautiful the thing is, and this is the pant, and this is the organza dupatta for this. All are with different concepts, different what to say, colors and different fabrics. So according to your taste and preference, you can select your order. And this fabric is really cool, and it is slim fit also. So see this. The other color is this, all over embroidery Parsi work with hand and machine embroideries together. And this is the dupatta. The dupatta for this is like this way. The breadth is only this much so that you can carry it easily. And then comes this black color. So festive time is all around, and weddings are happening. For these time, this is the apt thing for you guys to wear such kind of fabric where it has a little sheen on it. This is a chiffon dupatta, and then comes this. I wanted to open each and everything and show so that you guys can understand how it really looks. So this is how it is. All right, this is the center portion, and then comes the dupatta for this. How beautiful it is, so nice. This is the dupatta, and then comes our purple color. See this. And this is how it is. All right, here one problem will be coming because the center portion is here. So I will just say the breadth of this. I'll indicate the breadth of this so that you guys can select accordingly. And this is the pant, and this is once again the dupatta for this. All right, and for these I think it's all see this. What they have given, this is for the neck pattern, and this is for the sleeves. And this is the pant, and with a beautiful chiffon dupatta. And once again it's a bottle green color. See this, how beautiful these looks. See this, so beautiful it is. And this is a beautiful Chanderi checked dupatta with all works here and there, hand embroideries. And then this is the pant for this. Then comes our beautiful linen by Tezzer. See this. So this is how it is. This is the center portion. These are all linen by Tezzer, exclusive fabric. So accordingly the prices varies. Whatever your budget is, you can select your own. This is the dupatta for this with beautiful Parsi work here and there. And once again, this is also linen by Tezzer fabric. See this, such a beautiful fabric, and everything has its own uniqueness and differences. See this, and it comes with an amazing dupatta, organza dupatta. So pretty looking organza dupatta. All right, and then comes this. Everything is unique in its own way. So for prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to you to that page. This thing comes for the sleeves, and see this. This is for the dupatta. Dupatta comes with a beautiful work all over, and then comes our beautiful silver color, grey, light grey color fabric. Beautiful, everything is so beautiful. And this comes with this pant. See, this is an organza Parsi work dupatta, so pretty and elegant. And then comes this peach color. I wanted to open each and everything is sure, because these are all exclusive ones, so that you guys can understand how it really looks. See, this is the for the sleeves, and then this comes with the same organza dupatta. All right, and one more color is same to same, and one more color is this, such a beautiful color. See this, very pretty looking yellow color. What is the next concept? And this is also linen by Tezzer. Okay, these are all. It gives you a really rich look. See this, such a beautiful thing. And it comes with a pant inside and also with the organza dupatta. See this. For the lights, the color may vary little here and there. It may look little bright or little different color. So you please log on into our website and then see the colors in the photography and then place your order, because those things we have taken directly under the sunlight, and it's a super duper organza dupatta. Such a lovely beautiful fabrics these are all. And next comes same work, Parsi work with hand and machine embroidery, but in a different fabric. What is this fabric? This fabric is a pure Tezzer fabric, handloom Tezzer these are all. And this comes with a modal silk pant, and then this with a beautiful, see what a lovely dupatta, block print, such a beautiful hand block print dupatta. All are value added and pretty looking fabric. And then comes this, such an amazing product. I love this. See this, such a beautiful product, and with the same pant. And I wanted to open this block printed pure chiffon dupatta. So how it looks, so nice and pretty. And then this is the top for this. And then comes our cotton by linen with all Parsi works and embroideries. See, this is the top, pant, and then the dupatta for this. See this, so beautiful. These are all cotton by linen. Such a beautiful concept. Same concept in different fabrics in different budgets. According to your budgets, you can purchase. According to the taste of the stuff, also you can purchase. This is a deep bottle green color. Such a pretty looking fabric, and this is the dupatta for this. All right, so amazing. These are all linen by cottons. See, this concept is really different, where it comes with a striped, vertical striped pant, and see these, so beautiful it is, so beautiful. Such an amazing concept where you can find embroideries all over. See this, all over embroideries, and this is the dupatta for this. All right, and then what's next? See this, so pretty looking. My video will be a little longer because I have to show each and everything. See this, so nice looking. This is the pant, and this is the beautiful Parsi work, both hand and machine embroidery work dupatta. And one more color is a beautiful yellow color, and the other color is a peach color, and one more color is this. I've got plenty of colors in this one. These two are same colors, and these two are same. Let me open this color. And all right, all are looking So amazing, pretty collections with some beautiful, amazing, what to say, linen by cotton. These are all, and skin friendly also. See this, so nice. And I have got 1, 2, and then 3 colors in this. My last concept is this 1, 2, and then 3. These are the 3 different concepts where I'll open this indigo deep blue color. Such a nice, beautiful hand embroidery. You can see beautiful hand embroideries all over. And this is the bottom, and this comes with it. Amazing. This so pretty. And my last, in this I got 1, 2, and then 3 colors. And my last concept is this linen. This is not linen, this is a cotton with Parsi works and hand embroideries together. Machine embroidery and hand embroideries together. See this, so beautiful. And this is the pant, and this comes with an amazing, see this, organza by Chanderi. It looks like an organza, but still it is a mixed fabric. Organza by Chanderi. So, alright guys, this episode is over. Hope you enjoyed. Even I enjoyed showing beautiful colors and beautiful concepts. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link which will straight away lead to that page. Else you please contact us 958-550-1762 for any assistance. We'll meet you soon with lots and lots of more collections, colors, spreading colors globally as usual. Thank you so much, and bye bye.